Hey Warenotice Shane here, coming at you guys with another awesome technology video. Today we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the OtterBox Defender Pro case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box. Here we go. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. Flew back to Atlanta, got the sack like I'm Santa, I'm sipping that. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see right here, it's got this giant cutout so you can actually touch the case while it's in the box. Right here it says OtterBox, right here it says Defender Series Pro, and it says drop tested right here, and it says it's for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Once again, this smartphone that I have right here in my shirt pocket. Over here, if we flip it over to the back, it says drop 4 times as many drops as military standard. That's definitely a good thing to hear. It says it outlasts heavy use. It says it's got multi-layer defense. It also says it's got raised edges to protect the camera and screen, and it says it comes with a holster / kickstand. So yeah, anyway, let us open up this box, guys. So anyway, here we go, guys. We can just pop this box right open just like this, nice and easy. And we can just pull the inside of the box out of the box just like this. And now you will also see we've got some paperwork that came with this case. It says designed for Samsung right here. We've also got this sheet right here. We can put these to the side, and now here is the actual case. So we can just pop it out of the belt clip right there. And over here on the back it says how to install the case, and over here it talks about the belt clip holster right there. So we can just remove the belt clip from this little instruction manual sort of thing by popping it off just like this, and voila, now that is off, and boom, we have the case right here. So let's get it on the Note 20 Ultra. So we can just put the Note 20 Ultra right down right here for you guys. We can just pop the outer layer of this case off just like this. I've installed quite a few OtterBox Defenders in my day, so I'm already kind of an expert at this, as you guys may or may not be able to tell. Next, guys, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to split up these two pieces of the case. So you're going to want to pull these two plastic pieces apart just like that. And now you have all 4 pieces of the case. You have the belt clip, you have the top plastic piece, you have the bottom plastic piece, and you have the outer sort of rubbery flexible shell. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Note 20 Ultra and we're going to put it right here in the bottom plastic shell. We're going to put the top hard plastic shell on top of that, and then we are going to squeeze them together, making sure it all clicks into place just like that. So that way it doesn't like come apart when you're using the case. You want it nice and in there, and then once you're certain that those pieces are together, you can put the outer shell on just like this and just really wrap it around the phone case so far just like this, until once again you're really confident that it is on there. You know, see, you don't want any gaps like that. You want it around the case without gaps, so you can just really get it on there, and boop, boop, boop. And just like that, guys, now I have the OtterBox Defender all on my Note 20 Ultra right here. So let's look at this case. As you can see, this mystic white color of the Note 20 Ultra that I have right here really looks good in this black case, especially that camera bump right there. One thing you'll notice is because this case is raised right here, although the Note 20 Ultra has a really thick camera bump, if you look, the camera bump no longer sticks out because the case is raised so much. So if you put it down on a flat surface like this, you can be confident that your camera bump will not be touching the table. So that is definitely a good thing. Also, if you come down here, you'll notice it has this really big cutout to take the S Pen out just like that. So we can put the S Pen back in there. Also down here on the bottom, cutout for the speaker grill, little flap right here for the USB-C port. There you go. There's the USB-C port. And now over here on this side of the case, we've got a little rocker area right here for the volume rockers. We got a little button right here for the power button. So now we can just unlock the phone and boop, boop, boop. Let me show you. See, volume rockers work just fine, and they're sort of a little bit button shaped on this case right there, so that's pretty cool. So then you can get a little bit of a distinction between volume up and volume down. That's pretty nice. And yeah, anyway guys, let's put this case inside the belt clip right here. I do really like belt clips, by the way, so let's actually just put it on my belt right now. Would that be kind of crazy, guys? Here we go. I'm just gonna stand up, and now guys, we can just put it right here on my belt just like that. And oopsie boopsie, I actually put it upside down, but you know what you can do? You can spin around the actual holster on the belt clip. So now it is right side up. We can just pop my phone out whenever I want my phone right there, and I can just put it back in whenever I don't, and it clicks right in just like that. And yeah, check it out, guys. Do I look pretty good? Anyway, guys, if we take the belt clip off my hip, we can come over here and keep looking at the actual case. Another cool thing is it's got these raised lips on the front of the case, so if you put the phone face down on a flat surface, same thing in theory, your phone screen should not be touching the surface. Once again, definitely a good thing, especially with this giant display on the Note 20 Ultra. Once again, beautiful screen. I really love the screen, so yeah, definitely good protection there. Another cool thing is if you put the phone in the belt clip holster just like this with the screen facing outwards, you can actually turn it around. You can flip the belt clip around like that, and you can make it stay out like this. And now you can do all of this to make the phone stand up, and you can watch a movie, watch a YouTube video on it as the phone's held up. So yeah, I definitely think that's pretty cool that there's like sort of a phone stand built into the belt clip of this case. And yeah, guys, other impressions of this case, it definitely feels good in the hand. And although I'm sure it does add a little bit of extra bulk to the phone, of course, since it protects the camera bump and the front of the screen, it actually in the hand doesn't feel like it adds too much extra bulk, although it does, which is definitely really cool. It still feels like a slim case, although it isn't really. And I guess that's just because the phone is so big, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So it's weird. It feels like a slim case. So that's definitely pretty cool. And yeah, it feels very sturdy. Definitely feels like it's going to provide some good protection. One thing I am a bit worried about, though, is just how much of the phone is exposed right here to provide access for the S Pen. So yeah, that's definitely interesting. And yeah, guys, so now with that, we've covered the OtterBox Defender Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. If you want this case for yourself, I believe it'll set you back about $60 before taxes. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Would you get it for yourself? Do you think it's super cool? Do you not? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the OtterBox Defender Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Bye.